Hello and welcome back. Today in this video we are going to learn about our Arduino board or Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller board. So let's open it. You can see that's a USB one side, another side is for microcontroller board, and it has the microcontroller board. Every electronic things, it needs power to operate, so it gets power from this port. It's called USB port, and also it is used to transfer the data into this microcontroller. So we can directly provide power from this DC port. It can support 6 to 12 volt. Digital pins are 0 to 13. You can see the number 0 is here and number 13 is here. So digital pins are very important in our project, 0 to 13. Some of the pins send signals like output to turn on the light or turn off the light. Some of them receive inputs from sensors in between them. So you have to understand. So pins with a sign like 3, 5, 6, 9, this wave, you see that? That's the difference. 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. They can feed light or control motor speed using PWM. So hope you understand the digital pins. Now let's talk about analog pins. So you can see from here analog, in, and this side is power. Analog has A0 to A5, and power we'll discuss later. Also you can see from here analog, in. So that means it's an input pins, it's not out. Make sure in means input. Sensor needs power. So these 5 volt sensors to power up or give them power with your 5 volt. And they need ground pin or like a ground connection. This is positive, technically this is negative. Same 3 volt positive, and you can also use ground for negative. A stands for analog and D stands for digital. So these are super smart because they don't just hear on and off. They can understand many different values. Values means signals from your sensors. For example, if you are controlling a light sensor, it doesn't just say light turn and on and off. It has an intensity. So how much bright it is, it can even detect through the sensor. That means the intensity of the light it can detect. And also Arduino has important parts. It has RX, TX. RX and TX means basically transmit and receive. Transmit and receive is basically when you transfer data from this port to using laptop, when you transfer data from this port to your board. And also a tiny chip, you can see the black caterpillar kind of, that is 80 mega. So 80 mega 328P, that is the main microcontroller. So most of the time we don't touch any of the components except pins. We are going to touch this one, just the connecting pins, and powering up here. Or once the POC is done or upload is done, looks good, then you can power up from here. DC 9 volt or 6 volt. I hope you have very good understanding of microcontroller Arduino Uno. In our upcoming videos, we are going to do a couple of projects using this microcontroller board. For the beginners, is very good board.